Rolling Stone gathers mass, a celebration of music, culture, and impact. Rolling Stone magazine, a legendary publication at the forefront of music journalism, has consistently captured the essence of popular culture for over 5 decades. Founded in 1967 by Jan Wenner and Ralph J. Gleason, the magazine quickly became a countercultural icon, chronicling the rise of rock and roll and its profound impact on society. With its blend of music, politics, and cultural commentary, Rolling Stone has gathered mass, serving as a powerful force in shaping and reflecting the zeitgeist. Rolling Stone's influence can be traced back to its coverage of pivotal musical movements. From the psychedelic rock of the 60s to the punk revolution of the 70s, the magazine provided a platform for artists to express themselves and connect with their audiences on a deeper level. The iconic covers featuring rock legends like Jimi Hendrix, Bob Dylan, and Mick Jagger became iconic symbols of the magazine's ability to capture the spirit of the times. Beyond music, Rolling Stone has explored a diverse range of cultural topics, from film and television to politics and social issues. The magazine's writers and photographers have been renowned for their ability to delve into the deeper layers of society and provide thought-provoking insights. Whether it was covering the Watergate scandal, the civil rights movement, or the AIDS crisis, Rolling Stone consistently tackled important subjects that resonated with its readership. One of Rolling Stone's most significant contributions has been its ability to launch careers and introduce new talent to the world. The magazine's reviews and features have helped to catapult numerous artists into the mainstream, giving them a platform to share their music with a broader audience. From its early support of artists like Bruce Springsteen and U2 to its coverage of emerging acts in recent years, Rolling Stone has played a pivotal role in shaping the musical landscape. As the digital age transformed the media landscape, Rolling Stone has adapted to the changing times. The magazine's online presence has expanded its reach, allowing it to engage with a global audience in real time. Through its website and social media platforms, Rolling Stone continues to connect music lovers, provide in-depth coverage, and spark important conversations. In recent years, Rolling Stone has also expanded its focus to include other forms of entertainment and culture. Its coverage now extends to television shows, films, and even gaming, recognizing that music and popular culture intersect across various mediums. This evolution reflects the magazine's ability to stay relevant and adapt to the ever-changing interests of its readership. Rolling Stone's ability to gather mass goes beyond its print pages or online presence. It has become a symbol of rebellion, artistic expression, and a barometer of cultural relevance. It has influenced generations of music enthusiasts, shaped the careers of countless artists, and continues to be a beacon for those seeking insightful and thought-provoking content. As Rolling Stone gathers mass, it remains a powerful force in the world of music and beyond. With its rich history, commitment to quality journalism, and unwavering passion for the arts, the magazine continues to be an indispensable source for music lovers and cultural enthusiasts alike. Its influence will undoubtedly endure, as it carries on its mission of capturing the spirit of the times and celebrating the power of music and culture. Thanks for watching.